Whitens teeth, proceeds to drink coffee. At least I'm drinking it with a straw. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to kick it old school and do a classic makeup tutorial using all drugstore products. I love doing fully drugstore makeup tutorials because I feel like they're the most helpful because there's so much stuff at the drugstore. You can't really test stuff out at the drugstore, so I like to test stuff out for you guys and let you know what you should be buying, because even though it's cheaper, it still is being bought with your hard-earned money, so you still don't want to waste that. So yeah, this beautiful fall, kind of like fall leaves, warm toned look is using all drugstore products, literally everything. I think I only use 4 brands: CoverGirl, Revlon, Maybelline, Wet n Wild. Yep, that's it. So yeah, I love the way this turned out. I think it is the perfect look for a holiday party or like Thanksgiving, or you know, just a fall night out. Maybe you just want to be glitzy and glammy at work during the fall time. Why the heck not? This pigment on my eye, I cannot wait to show you guys what it is because I'm obsessed with it. Also, give this video a big thumbs up if you miss makeup tutorials from me, because I'm not sure if you guys are actually gonna watch them or not. So just let a bitch know. Give me a thumbs up, give me a comment, let me know if you actually care to see makeup tutorials from me, because I'm honestly not sure, because every time that I do them, when I rarely do them, nobody watches them. So thank you, that would be so helpful. But yeah, makeup tutorials tend to get really long, so I'm not gonna ramble on too much longer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, remember to subscribe. Love you all. See you in 2 seconds with a bare face. Okay, we're starting off this tutorial with a very white face and a very tan neck, because I definitely self-tan today. It feels good. It feels good to have some color. I get to use all of my foundation shades. It's just a good time. I've also been whitening my teeth, because I was noticing on camera that they were not white. So let me know what you think. Whitens teeth, proceeds to drink coffee. At least I'm drinking it with a straw. So we're gonna start off with some primer. I got rid of so much shit when I moved, and a lot of drugstore stuff, so I don't really have a lot, but I do have this Revlon COLORSTAY Prep and Protect Primer. But yeah, all the stuff that I do have is really good shit, because obviously I like kept it. This stuff reminds me of the Dior Forever primer. I think it's supposed to be like a dupe for it. It is whiter than the Dior Forever. It kind of acts the same. Ooh, why is it burning me right now? I tried this a few times before and I really liked it, but right now I look like a ghost and it kind of stings, so that's cool. We love that. Love that for me. I've been watching a lot of teenage YouTubers lately, so like I know what the kids are saying these days. So love that for me. That's one of them. So now that we've primed, we can go into brows, and we're actually using something different today because I bought something new. It's exciting. It's actually not the product I thought I was buying. I thought I was buying something else, but I ended up getting this. But I like these kind of products, so it's fine. I'm gonna go in and just carve out my brows with some concealer because I do this beforehand. I actually don't know if that's the best idea today. I'm gonna do it anyway, fuck it. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that because it's not really important to the tutorial, and then we'll be back. Okay, so the new brow product I got is this Maybelline Tattoo Studio brow pen thing, and the applicator is like a little microblady marker thing. I'm excited to use this. I really like brow markers, but they never, like, either the wrong color or they dry out quick. They're just never like perfect, so I'm excited for this. Okay, I got the color soft brown. I like this. So it's kind of like you gotta learn what angle you want to hold it at. It's making my brows look really, really natural, which I fuck with, quite frankly. That's a brow, bitch. Okay, now I'm gonna set them with some brow gel, but I really like that. I think if you're into a more natural brow, you'll really enjoy this, but it does take a little bit of time to like build them up. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes with some concealer. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Drawing Concealer. It's basically the only drugstore concealer I use. So if you've got any recommendations about any other ones, let me know. Okay, and then the eyeshadow palette we're going to be using today is the Maybelline City Mini palette, and this is in High Rise Sunset. It's basically a full matte palette of these beautiful warm shades, and so I'm very excited about it because these are right up my alley. So to set down the concealer, I'm going to take this lightest shade, with just like a big fluffy brush and just pack it over the concealer we put down. Okay, so this has quickly become one of my favorite brushes. This is the Morphe M518. And it's stained a little bit yellow from like a bright look I did the other day. Just a big fluffy brush, but it's not too big and it's not too fluffy. It's just the good one for like a transition color, but it's not too blown out, but it's like blown out enough. And it like packs on the right amount of pigment. It's just good. So I'm gonna go into this like yellowy shade in the corner and get this right on the brush. And then we're gonna just blend this in our transition area. I've been really into yellow transitions as opposed to like orange ones. I don't know, they just like look really pretty to me because I kind of like got over oranges. Even though I'm still using this warm palette, I don't know, I just don't want like a fully orange crease anymore. I need to mix it up. Wow, somebody has jaundice, wow. Okay, now I'm gonna take an E25 from Sigma and I'm gonna go into this kind of like burnt orange color in the corner. And I'm going to pat this right in the crease, focus most of the color in the outer corner, and then bring it in to blend in with that yellow. This is gonna kind of tone down the yellow so it doesn't look like you're going for a bright look. It kind of makes it more neutral, but you still see that yellow and it kind of adds like, I don't know, cool dimension. I forgot how to do makeup tutorials, don't at me. I'm actually really enjoying these shadows, so thank you, Maybelline. Finally, some good, I feel like drugstore eyeshadow has come a long way in the past year. Now I'm gonna take another new favorite brush. This is the M514 from Morphe, and it's kind of like that other one I showed you, but smaller. And I'm gonna take this brown kind of chocolatey shade. This is such a pretty color. It's like literally a milk chocolate shade. And I'm gonna go in the crease with this again. I mean, honestly, most of my eye looks are just building up a lot of depth and dimension in the crease and then putting something on the lid because that's just the kind of makeup I like. And I feel like, I don't know, it just looks the prettiest to me. And isn't this like giving you fall leaves vibes? We love it. We love a pumpkin spice eye. Ooh, she's pretty. I'm gonna deepen her up though. Just you wait, bitch. Just you wait. Now I'm gonna take the Morphe M507. Who am I using Morphe instead of Sigma? I don't know. I don't know. I've just been like liking their brushes lately. I need to get more. Okay, now I'm gonna take this burgundy shade over here. Do these have names? No, they don't. They do have a lot of fallout, I will say that. But for 10 bucks for this many shadows, that's a pretty great deal. I'm gonna just go right in the crease. This is a smaller brush, so it's gonna help you get in there really nice and detailed. I'm just gonna take this back and forth right through the crease, and you see how it just deepens it up and kind of warms it up. I kind of wish there was like a darker brown in here instead of the red. I know a lot of you guys will like the red actually, so it's fine. We'll work with it. Kind of using like every shade in this palette except for one. That's really cool. And then you're gonna pack a little bit on the outer corner just to keep that nice and dark. And then you can always go back in with one of your blendy brushes and just kind of graze over everything to make sure it's all nice and blended and seamless and beautiful. Okay, now we're gonna take this guy. This is a Revlon COLORSTAY little pot eyeshadow. This is in the shade 710. I don't know, it doesn't have a name. Color 710, and it's like a little bronzy. It's like a bronzy guy. It comes with a little brush there, so you can use that one, but I'm gonna take a concealer brush and we're gonna use this. Like, you know how sometimes I'll go on the lid, like to cut the crease with some concealer? I'm actually gonna use this to cut my crease and clean up my lid. And then we're gonna layer something else on top of it. So just get right up in there, go right up to the crease, and kind of carve that out. And you could totally leave it as this shade if you want. I think this looks really pretty and fall appropriate anyway. Ooh, she's pretty. But we're gonna lay something on top of it because why the heck not? And the thing I have to lay on top of it is honestly, like, you guys need to go get it right now because I'm pretty sure it's limited edition and it's a must. It is a must. Okay, now I'm gonna take another brush. You can use the same brush, honestly. Actually, will I? Yeah, I'm gonna use the same brush. Okay, so this guy here, this is the Color Icon, Wet n Wild Color Icon Loose Pigment, and it's in the shade Carol. And this, I think, is part of their like holiday collection. Also, ignore my like gross self-tan hand, sorry. But it's like this beautiful gold. Oh my God, I'm gonna use this as an eyeshadow and also as a highlight. So get ready, bitches, get ready. And it comes in this little pot with like a little stopper at the top. So I'm going to, where am I gonna pour this? Oh, I guess I'll pour some in the lid. I'm gonna use the side that had the product on it because I feel like it's a little moist and it'll help adhere it. And then I'm just gonna go, oh my God, do you see that? I'm gonna go directly on top of where we laid down that cream eyeshadow. And look at this shit, yo. Are you kidding? And this thing was like $2 or $3. I honestly don't know how much I paid for it, but whatever it was worth it because wow. Oh my God, I wanna do like a crazy huge wing. Not crazy huge, but like a good solid sharp wing. I'm gonna go back with a little bit of that burgundy color and just tap more on the outer corner just to kind of blend them together. Now I'm gonna take another eyeshadow brush with the same pigment, just a little bit of it, and I'm gonna use this to highlight my brow bone. Oh my God, what a beauty. I literally know that's gonna be such a dope highlight. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and give myself a wing. What I'm gonna use for eyeliner is a new fave because we know our fave, our NYC liquid liner got discontinued, so I can no longer use that. I use it in real life, but I don't use it in videos because like if you guys can't get it, then that sucks. But this NYX matte liquid liner, beautiful, very good. More expensive than the NYC one, but kind of the same. So I'm gonna go ahead and give myself a wing. This is gonna take mucho concentration, so I will BRB. Thank you so much. Yay, a wing. Okay, y'all, now I'm gonna go do some lashes off camera, so some mascara. This is an old fave. I highly recommend to you guys. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous False Fiber Lashes. This is a great mascara. I've been using it since it came out when I was 19, which is kind of crazy to think about, but it's a great mascara, and I don't really hear anybody talk about it. I did back then when it first came out, but obviously not anymore. So if you're looking for a good mascara that's gonna make your lashes nice and voluminous, but also nice and long, this is a good one. I like it. And I'm gonna go put on these CREME number 43s. These aren't from the drugstore, but they are pretty affordable. So I'll link some places down below that you can get them because they're very, very affordable. And they're great. Okay, y'all, lashes, what was that? Okay, you guys, lashes are on. Now let's make my face match my neck, hopefully. Okay, so we primed already before. Go ahead and wipe, oh, my A isn't on. Go ahead and wipe away any fallout if you had any. I'm gonna go in with a fave foundation of mine, especially from the drugstore. This is the CoverGirl Healthy Elixir. As you can see, it is a fave because look at how gross this bottle is. Yeah, sorry. I'm gonna do 1, 2.5 pumps. And to apply, I'm gonna use this e.l.f. Sponge. I can't remember who I heard talk about this like so long ago, but I think it might have been Alyssa Ashley when she released her lip gloss. She talked about this. I saw it at Rite Aid because now they sell e.l.f. at Rite Aid, which is super lit. And I was like, sure, I'll give you a try. And I tried it yesterday with the Dior Forever foundation, and it was okay. It's like pretty stiff. It's stiffer than a beauty blender, but I don't hate it. So there's that. And it's a lot cheaper. It's like $12 for a set of 3 sponges, like a big one like this, and then a small one, or a medium one, and a mini one. I lost the mini one when I opened the package. It fell somewhere and I still haven't found it. So there's that. But this foundation is great because it gives you a really nice, like, not dewy finish, more like a natural finish, or satin, I guess I would say. So it's not too dewy, but it just makes your skin look really nice and healthy and glowy, but not in an oily way. We're getting there. We're slowly becoming human again. Oh my God, Ashley, baby hairs coming for your life. Okay, and then for under the eyes, we're gonna go in again with the Instant Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline. This is a great concealer. It's not full coverage like a Shape Tape or anything, but it just makes your under eyes look great and bright, and it does have pretty good coverage. So if you're looking for a good concealer on a budget, this is an old holy grail of mine for sure. Yeah, the verdict is this sponge suck. Now, holy grail, gotta do it. Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, the best setting powder ever. Drugstore or high-end, this is just the best powder ever. Oh, I kind of do like this sponge with this powder though. We'll say that. It's like really getting it in there. Still way lighter than my neck, that's great, cool. We're gonna go ahead and bronze. I think I'm gonna go in with the NYC City Proof Bronzing Face Powder. And I'm gonna use just like a large angled contour brush for this. Just gonna go ahead and warm up my face because Lord knows we need it, girl. And this is matte, so you can use it as like a bronzer contour combo. Yes, give me color. Ah, we're looking human, ladies. We are looking human. I feel like my self tanner is my contour for my jawline today. Don't whistle in the house, it summons the devil. Puerto Rican superstitions, they never leave you. Okay, I've been using this little brush. This is the 31 brush from NYX to contour my nose. And frankly, still don't know if it works. Still don't know how to contour my nose, but I've been using it. Wow, not good. I don't even know. I feel like my nose looks bigger now. Okay, so this is a blush I picked up the other day. I was gonna say yesterday, but it wasn't yesterday. Oh. It was yesterday. Yeah, it was yesterday. I picked up this Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in Rose Champagne. Used it yesterday, loved it. So we're gonna do it again. This is the NYX 08 brush, a fave blush brush of mine the past few months. Isn't she pretty? And only $3.29. Oh wow. I'm loving this look. I have this, the Master Chrome in Molten Peach, but it's so pink and I feel like this look is so gold. So straight up, I'm gonna use this pigment as a highlighter. So I'm gonna tap a little bit more into the cap. Get my little highlighter brush. This is the Real Technique setting brush. Oh yeah, that's gonna be pretty. Fuck yes. Okay, let's, love it. She's pretty. In love. You guys need this like yesterday. Okay, I'm also gonna use this to highlight my inner corner of my eye. Somebody's literally jumping upstairs. I look gorgeous, like gorgeous. Okay, let's do the lower lash line. I'm gonna take the guy we used burgundy on, but I'm gonna wipe off the burgundy just because I like this little brush. But you can get a clean one, do whatever you want to do, girl. I'm gonna take the chocolate shade because it's not that dark. I'm just gonna buff this along the lower lash line. You can bring it as far down as you want. I'm gonna smoke it out quite a bit though. That's the way I like my lower lash line, smoky as hell. Now I'm gonna take a flat definer brush with the burgundy shade. We're going to press this right up against the lash line. And then I also have an eyeliner I wanna put in the waterline. This is the Pixie Endless Silky Eye Pen in Rose Glow. Just gonna brighten up the waterline a little. Like bronze it up. And now I'm just gonna hit my lower lashes with some mascara and then we'll finish up the lips and then we'll be done. Now for lippies, we're going to start by lining, Intimidate lip liner from NYX. I use this a lot in my tutorials. It's a good one. And then for lipstick, this is the L'Oreal Colorish Matte lipstick in He Thinks He's Macho. That's so cute. Like macho, like macho. Like my dog. Aww. It's a really beautiful, like, I don't know, it's like the same color as one of those eyeshadows I use in my eye. It's like a warm brown. Oh, hold on. I have like white crusty in my lips. Oh, she's pretty. Okay, you guys, finished look. I'm going to go fix my hair and I will be back to send you off to live your life. So BRB. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. I am low-key, high-key obsessed with it. Wow, I'm looking at myself and I'm like, this is all drugstore. Like, yo, the drugstore done come up. Thank you so much to all of the drugstore brands that are just, you know, slaying for all of us girls on a budget. I mean, or not on a budget. It's just more convenient to shop at the drugstore. I never make it to Sephora. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I haven't done a makeup tutorial in quite a while. And honestly, I don't know how many of you guys are gonna watch this. But if you did click on it and you are still here watching, then give yourself a big round of applause because I know I sure as hell don't watch makeup tutorials anymore. It is very rare that I do, which is why I like kind of stopped making them. But if you enjoyed it and you want more, then let a bitch know in the comments. I'm always open to hearing what you guys want to see. Make sure in the comments down below you also let me know what's your current favorite drugstore product, because I go to Rite Aid after the gym literally every day. I'm always like, what makeup is there today? Even though I'm literally going every day, so there's nothing new ever. So let me know down below what your favorite drugstore product is so I can check it out. I love you guys so, so much. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video.